This right here is rod knock. Oh no. Nada, tenemos 4 minutos ya apagados, llevamos a 60. Está bien, de allá para acá, tal vez nos quedemos, sí, pero llegamos allá.
Bueno, estamos en mecánica aquí. Justin compró una vaina para subir el carro.
All right, so once you guys get done taking all the bolts out, we're gonna have to lean the pan that way and take it out. With most old shit, to get the pan off, we're gonna have to smack that bitch. Oh no. La parte de adentro ya no casi no tiene coating en este. After a ton of headaches, first one which was not knocking, what the fuck, I threw it away. Look at this, everything is fucked. It's chipped on the sides, a little bit of oil would seep through there, like in the actual metal. We out.